You're telling me that I'm not supposed to be here for no reason.
He doesn't have to, and they want you to leave, so.
I know, but this is public.
Then we'll talk to it outside.
Did you suspect me of a crime?
Doesn't matter.
So I'm allowed to, during business hours, have access to any
Not right
paperwork.
now, no. So you have to leave. So
I don't have to. Please do not touch me.
We're gonna leave.
Please do not touch me. Please do not put your hands on me.
We're gonna leave.
This Karen cop, Officer Martin, thinks that she's untouchable and can just go hands-on and put her hands on people and shove people out a city hall in New Hampshire.
Can I please speak to your sergeant?
No.
Have your sergeant come out here.
Absolutely not. No.
Why?
I'm telling you, you can go to the station and talk to him. I'm not getting one down here.
So in today's video comes from Robert's channel. Make sure you hop on his channel, folks. Let him know I sent you. Go subscribe. His channel link with the full video link as well will be linked down below. And also, Mrs. Officer Martin's gangster friends that show up with her to the scene are just as bad as she is. Without further ado, enjoy the video.
All right. So again, was that on the calendar? You just said it was on the calendar. It's not on the calendar now, is it?
It's not on that calendar.
Okay. What calendar is it on?
It'll be on the staff's calendar.
Okay. So can you please direct me to the staff? I will go with you to the staff's calendar. I would like to see the staff calendar.
I don't have to do that.
Yes, you do. 91A.
Upstairs.
Let's go to the staff's calendar.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.
Who's that? Can we go to the staff's calendar? I would like you to show me. I will go with you. I'm not going in there.
Let's go.
Let's go. Lead me the way. Where's the staff calendar?
Go downstairs.
Where's the staff calendar?
Let's go downstairs.
Where's the staff calendar? Where can I see?
Many places.
Okay, so where can I?
But I don't have to show it to you. I'm not showing it.
91A. You're saying that you have the staff calendar. 91A says that I can have the staff's calendar.
You can file a right to know for that.
I don't have to file in that. Right? Is it business hours? Between business hours right now, 91A. Where's their budsman? Where's their budsman? Do you know where their budsman is? Is there a budsman in this office? Do you know what a budsman is? So the budsman handles the 91A request if the city is negligent. I'm asking for a staff calendar that you're saying right now exists, a staff calendar, right? So that I can see that it's on the schedule that you said that it's on. You're telling me that I'm not supposed to be here for no reason. Hello. How you doing? So, can you show me where the staff calendar is? Please? How's it going? This gentleman won't let me in there, and he won't tell me why he won't let me in. He removed me out of it.
I explained it to you 100 times.
Just so you know, you're being audio and video recorded.
Yep, you are too.
Yeah, excellent.
I've seen your outlet.
So it's been explained to you 100 times. This is a private class. You're not registered for the class. You're not part of the class. You were in the class.
Right, because the doors were open.
Yep. So now I've explained to you that it is a private class. I closed the doors and removed you.
But you're not explaining to me who told me to get out of there.
Who?
Okay.
Why? Other than you're not part of the class.
Officer, I simply asked that he tells me where the information is.
He doesn't have to, and they want you to leave, so.
I know, but this is public.
Then we'll talk to it outside.
Hey! Oh, I don't have my glasses. I'm sorry. I thought you were wailing for a second. Listen.
No, listen, let's go outside.
I don't have to go outside.
Yeah, you do. Because
For why?
they want you to leave.
I know. I don't want to leave.
Well, you have to leave.
I don't have to. Why?
Yeah, you do.
For why?
I'm telling you, they don't want you here.
Are you
have to
okay?
leave.
Did you suspect me of a crime?
Doesn't matter. They don't want you in here.
Okay.
So you can leave and come back another day. But right now, you have to leave.
Okay.
You've conducted your business. There's nothing more to
No, I'm trying to get a 91A request and ask you where the ombudsman is, or where I can find out where the calendar is that you said that this is on the calendar and it's a private.
show that to you.
Yes, you do.
No,
Article 8 of the New Hampshire Constitution,
I mean,
91A, 91A, right? So I'm allowed to, during business hours, have access to any
Not right
paperwork.
now, no. So you have to leave. So
I don't have to.
we're-
Please
we're
do not
gonna-
touch me.
We're gonna leave.
Please do
We're
not
gonna
touch me.
leave.
Please do
Yes.
not put your hands on me.
We're gonna leave.
Am I under arrest?
No, but you will be if you don't leave. So let's
Okay,
go.
wait. Listen.
We're gonna talk outside.
Mr. Martin and Mrs. Martin, now what's going on here?
I don't think this man went in there recording to conduct a First Amendment audit, but he did go in there to conduct business. So it looks like he started recording as soon as things escalated for some reason. And one of the main reasons why I wanted to expose this and put this out there was the disgusting behavior that these cops brought to the table.
You just put your hands on me.
I sure did.
What? Yeah.
sure did.
You did. Why? They said I've done no crime. Leave me alone, guys. Filing a complaint. So what crime did I commit? What crime did I commit?
Let's go.
Is this a lawful order? Am I under
Yes,
arrest?
lawful order. You're not under arrest. I'm asking you to leave.
So I don't have, I know, but I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
Why?
Because I'm telling you.
What is the statute? What is the statute? I came here for business. What would be the crime that if I don't follow your unlawful order? I don't want to. I don't want to. I want to get some water and I want to be left alone and I don't want to be harassed by the police. I answer no questions. I'm going to get water.
No, come on. Kelly, come on.
Don't touch me. Don't. I'm going to get water. Don't touch me.
You're not getting water. You're leaving.
I can get
You're
water.
leaving
Why?
the building.
Why?
You're leaving the building.
Why?
And that's it.
Why?
Bottom line.
Why?
I'm telling you to. You're
Why?
leaving the building.
Okay.
So let's go leave the building.
Please do not touch me. You guys are assholes.
Thank you.
Who's the sergeant? Who's the highest ranking officer here?
Me.
What are you? Are you
Are
a sergeant?
Nope.
You're a lieutenant?
Nope.
You're an officer.
Yep.
Can I please speak to your sergeant?
No.
Have your sergeant come out
Nope.
here.
Absolutely not. No.
Why?
I'm telling you. You can go to the station and talk to him. I'm not getting one down here.
Why?
Because I'm telling you, I'm not. Very simple.
Okay. So why am I not here? Why am I not allowed
You're done
here?
talking. They don't want you here.
Okay.
You're done. You conducted
So this
your
is
business.
this is the public.
You're-
No, I haven't.
Then we're
I
done.
would like to get
No,
the information
we're
for the
done.
calendar.
We're done.
You're preventing me from getting information during business hours?
Sure.
Folks, in the original video on this man's channel, if you go to the description, it does explain more about this story and why he was in that city hall and etc. He did write a lot in the description. I'm just showing you a small piece here in the beginning of it. And if you want to check it out, folks, hop on this man's channel and don't forget to let him know I sent you. Go subscribe. And this is why it's so important to record everything and every encounter you have with the government. You don't have to be an activist, a First Amendment auditor. Just do it for your safety to document it for yourself, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for joining back into the J Surreal Camera channel. And you know we'll see you in the comments for some thoughts and in the next video soon.
We don't do favors. Go back to work. We don't do favors. Go back to work.